Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin are called sense organs which help us to understand and identify things around us. Students, repeat this word sense, SENSE. So, we can say the sense organs are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste, and touch or feel. These organs help us to respond to our surroundings. Here in the picture, you can see that eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. So these are five sense organs which we have, and they help us in such way like eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose help us to smell, tongue helps us to taste, skin helps us to feel. Come on the next page. Our arms and legs together are called limbs. Students, underline this sentence. Our arms and legs together are called limbs. Repeat this word, LIMBS, limbs. We use our arms to hold or throw things, write, draw, catch, etc. We use our legs to run, jump, stand, play, etc. The part below our head is the neck. It bends and turns. It helps us to move our head up and down and from one side to the other. So, what are limbs? You can say our legs, arms, and neck, which helps us to move, to hold, or throw things, are called limbs. In the next session, we will discuss about internal organs of our body. Before wrapping up, let's have a quick recap of what we have studied here. So, what are organs? Organs are body parts that have a special work to do. How many types of organs do we have? We have two kinds of organs, external and internal. What are external organs? External organs are located on the exterior of the human body and are visible to us. For example, eyes, nose, ears, hands, etc. What are sense organs? Sense organs are the body organs by which humans are able to see, smell, hear, taste, and touch or feel. We have five sense organs in our body. What are limbs? Limbs are body parts which help us to move, to hold, or throw things. As external organs help us to perform different work, internal organs also help us to perform work. Now think about what are the work these parts can do. Let's talk about brain. Brain help us to think. As in computer, CPU is the brain and do processing. In our body, all organs are controlled by brain. It controls our thoughts, memory and speech, movement of the arms and legs, and the function of many organs within our body. It receives information from the sense organs and making decisions as to the instructions sent to the rest of the body. Now next internal organ is lungs. We breathe through our lungs. It takes oxygen from the air you breathe and to released carbon dioxide when you breathe out. We have two lungs. Now next is liver. It is located near stomach and its function is to purify or clean our blood. It is the largest solid organ in our body. It can be damaged if the person is overweight. Now next internal organ given here is stomach. Okay, tell me students, the food which you eat, where does it go? It goes in our stomach. It stores our food and helps us to digest the food. The next is heart. The heart pumps blood to all the parts of the body. Student, this is an amazing human body organ. It is located little to the left of the chest. It constantly moves and pumps blood throughout the body. It never gets tired. We should eat healthy food and do exercise to keep our heart healthy. Now next is bones and muscles. Bones and muscles give shape to our body. Students, touch your fingers and arm. Can you feel something hard and soft? The hard part inside our body is bone, whereas soft part is called muscles. The bones frame of our body gives shape to our body and muscles help us to perform work. So these are the internal organs of our body which we cannot see. Now come on the next page, student. Here one activity is given for you people. You have to identify these organs and write their function. Like first one is heart. Heart, heart, and its function is to pump blood to all the parts of the body. Next is stomach. Stomach, stomach. And what is its work? It helps us to digest the food. Now, all the organs work together to help the body keep healthy. Only a strong and healthy body can function properly. You must have listened this proverb, student. Healthy mind lives in a healthy body. If your body is healthy and strong, then only it can function properly or do activities in a proper way. And for keeping our body fit and healthy, we should keep these points in our mind. We must take proper care of our body by following these points. Eating good food. We should always eat good food, healthy food. Taking proper rest, exercising daily, drinking 8 to 10 glasses of clean water, keeping all the body parts clean. So this is your chapter. Now in the next session we will discuss about the exercise of this chapter.